In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute audio in your video here in Canva. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To mute our video, first we want to bring that video into Canva. And for that, we're going to click on video documents here. And we'll be using the video landscape for the purpose of this tutorial. Just know that you can work with any video size document here. So let's go into this. I will go into my uploads tab. If you don't have the video ready in Canva, you can quickly just upload it from upload files here. But I have my video ready. I'll go to my videos here and I'll click into the video I want to mute the audio from. So this is the video I want to mute audio from. To mute this audio, let me collapse this. You want to make sure this clip is selected like so, and you go over to this sign here where it says volume and you click on the volume. Just click on mute here and it removes the audio. If at any point you want to bring back the audio, you can click here and increase the audio either higher or lower, depending on how much you want to do. But if you have more than one clip, I'm going to bring in one more clip here. So you see now we have two clips and we want to go into the audio again and we can balance the audio. And if I mute one, you have the option to mute all the audios in. Let me know if you have any questions. Do have a good one.